So, hello, namaskar to the all chemistry lovers and doctors, engineers of the near future. This is Vijay Kumar Soni from the Chemistry Wala channel. Today, we'll discuss about the further. We have discussed in the previous videos regarding to just salt in this chapter as a coordination chemistry. Further, we have discussed about the just metal atom. Further, we have discussed about the just ligands and the types of the ligands and monodentate, bidentate, polydentate and amphidentate ligand. And today we'll go with some important features regarding to just ligands also. How? What is that? This will be in the form of a knot. That is, first is your flaxidentate ligand. First word is a tricky word, flaxidentate ligand. It's a very important word. Means ligands which can change. Ligands can change their denticity called as just your flaxidentate ligand. If we'll go with the flaxidentate ligand, then we can take a lot of example. The first important example is your CO3 2 minus. This is the carbonato. It acts as a monodentate ligand generally, but it also acts as a bidentate ligand also. So it can change its denticity from 1 to 2. That's why it is called as flaxidentate ligand. If we'll go with the further, then we can take the example of SO4 2 minus. It is also called as sulfato in general. If we'll go with the just denticity, then it also acts as a monodentate ligand. But according to position, according to just complex compound, it can change its denticity from 1 to 2. Means again it may as a bidentate ligand, so it can change its denticity. That's why it is also called as flaxidentate ligand. But the very important example is your EDTA. This is the EDTA. We have discussed about the EDTA. EDTA 3 minus, that is the pentadentate ligand. EDTA 4 minus, that is the hexadentate ligand. So it's, if I'll go with the EDTA 3 minus, then it's a pentadentate ligand. And if we will go with the just EDTA 4 minus, then it is your hexadentate ligand. Pentadentate and hexadentate ligand. Denticity is changing from pentadentate to hexadentate. Denticity 5 से लेकर के 6 में change हो रही है. 5 भी हो सकती है, 6 भी हो सकती है. That's why it is called as flaxidentate ligand. This was about the flaxidentate ligand. We'll take another word also. That is the second point is your chelation. It's a very important word, chelation. Another we can say chelate ligand. Another we can say that chelate ring also. And another is your chelate compound. These are all the words are related to with each other. If we go with the first of all chelate ring, then we can say bi and polydentate ligands forms a 5 or 6 membered ring structure with central metal atom. This ring is called as chelate ring. And the formation or just phenomenon or property of formation of chelate ring is called as just your chelation. And the compound in which just this chelate ring present is called as chelate compound, and the ligand is called as chelate ligand. Means, dear student, doctors and engineers, listen me carefully कि अगर पर्टिकुलर कोई भी लिगेंड स्पेशली बाइडेंटेट और पॉलीडेंटेट लिगेंड सेंट्रल मेटल एटम के साथ में अटैच होकर के 5 और 6 मेंबर स्ट्रक्चर का फॉर्मेशन करे तो उस रिंग को कहेंगे कीलेट रिंग. पर्टिकुलर इस प्रॉपर्टी को कहेंगे कीलेशन, उस लिगेंड को कहेंगे कीलेट लिगेंड, और उस कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड को जिसमें कीलेट लिगेंड प्रेजेंट है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कीलेट कंपाउंड. If we'll go with the example, then we can take example of just your En. En. It is also called as in generally ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine, or you can call it ethane 1,2-diamine. If we go with the structure, then its structure is CS2. CS2. This is your NH2. NH2. We can write it as follows: NH2 and NH2. If we go with the just donor atom, the nitrogen, this is the metal atom, any of metal atom. This nitrogen donates to the electron pair, and this also donates. So if you will go with the ring, then this is the closed ring. Here is the 5 member: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-member ring structure. That's why this ring is called as chelate ring. Chelate ring. Now we can call it En is going to be formed just chelate ring. That's why it is also called as chelate ligand. Ethylene diamine is also called as chelate ligand. Chelate ligand, and the formation of chelate ring phenomenon is called as just chelation. If we'll go with the just chelate compound, then we can take one of the example as a COEN whole thrice. This is the +3, and another we can take CONS3 whole 6. This is the +3. If we go with these compound, then this is the bidentate ligand. This is the monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand exists only one donor atom, so it will not formation of the just chelate ring, just ring. But if we go with the En, then En is a bidentate ligand, ethylene diamine, so it will form the chelate ring. That's why it is called as chelate compound, and this is non-chelate compound. If we go with the stability, then we can take those compounds which exist chelate ring. They are more stable for it because of, if I go with the just NS3, then this is the central metal atom, this is the NS3, one of the donor atom, so donates one lone pair of electron and forms one coordinate bond with the central metal atom, while this ligand means chelate ligand forms just 2 coordinate bond, and it will require larger amount to dissociate 2 coordinate bond as compared to 1 coordinate bond. So what we can say that those ligand which exist chelation, more stability, less chelation, less stability. So this is the regarding to stability of the complex compound. So in this way, this was the important slide. It's a short slide, but this is very important for you all. So इसी टाइप से मेरे साथ बने रहिए, विश्वास के साथ चलते चलिए. नो डाउट हर एक टॉपिक को अभी तक कंसल्ट किया है और करता रहूंगा, और एक दिन हम की मीन्स हमारी मेरी और आपकी जीत जरूर होगी. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.